Alright, today we're looking at something cool. This is the 2018 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG 4MATIC. This one's a one owner with only 8,200 miles on it. Had a big window sticker. It was $128,000. A lot of options, a lot of bells and whistles. The color, I believe it's called Designo, Selenite, gray something. It's a $4,000 option from the factory. You got the special forged 20-inch wheels on here. Another $1,700 option. This car is like brand new. 8,200 miles, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents. So you got heated and cooled seats, full navigation, bunch of different drive modes. You do also have the button for the exhausts. This does also have the upgraded sound system from the factory. This is a $4,500 option with this sound system. As you can see, you got all the ambient lighting throughout the interior. What else? It has the AMG lighting package, AMG comfort package, and then the AMG premium something package for another $3,500. Yeah, full carbon fiber mirrors, all factory stuff, nothing aftermarket. Back seats are like brand new. You got the sunshade in each rear door. Even got the sunshade back there. The special ops and sound system in the head. Just a little carbon fiber wing on there. This one's going live on the website today, just landed, BRIANSAutocenter.com. Go check out the window sticker online. A lot of options. This is as clean as it gets. A 2018 with 8,200 miles. We're loving the color on this.